guys, welcome back to the channel. So right here we have Felix's Honda Civic that we are going to be wrapping in Avery blue, Avery Dimensions blue. Forgot the exact name of it, but I'll check it out right now. I'll show you guys. So front bumper is going to be taken off. We're going to put a different bumper, different side skirts, and we're going to put on a different rear bumper. Everything is in the car right now. I think this is the front bumper. Yeah, this is the front bumper. We have the side skirts. I think that's the wrap. Oh, the wrap's back there. So we are going to start the tear down. Take everything off. Bumpers, headlights, taillights, weather strips, door handles, etc. So let's get to it. The bumper, here's the color that it will be. It looks pretty nice. It's like a pearl dark blue. Really dope. So this is a rear bumper. Not sure who did this part, but someone else did that. We have the front bumper. Front, side skirts, and rear bumper are going to be going on this Civic. Alright, so let's get the tear down going and remove everything. Alright, car is fully stripped. Took this piece out, took the Honda badge out, took the Honda Civic badge off, keyholes out. Yeah, everything's basically ready to go. Only hard part is the door handles. These are super hard to take out, but I loosened them up enough so I could tuck the wrap in the edge. So I'll be wrapping these pieces first and this piece apart. So this piece apart, and then after that's wrapped, then I'll be able to wrap the door, and then I'll just cut around the edge here, and then just tuck the wrap around the back. Same with under. Just gonna give it one good wash. Gas cap out. Get all the dirt, grease, and grime off. I know there's plenty of tire shine on the car, like right here. You guys can see that grease mark from the tire shine. So I don't want any of that on the car when I wrap it. So other than that, let's get to wrapping.
Quiet star, quiet star, quiet star, quiet star.
Guys, we are done. Finally, it's been a week. Now, this bumper was such a pain to do. I only have it held up by one zip tie right there, and then it's just supporting itself up. I'm not gonna be mounting these because I don't know how to mount them. They don't have any mounting points or anything. He has to make them, and I'd rather have him deal with that than me mounting them up and then maybe one of them falling off and flying off on the freeway or something. So that's gonna be up to him. I just mocked it up so you guys could see what it looks like. So that's a front bumper. And then over here, we have the rear bumper as well. It's not mounted up. I just mocked it up so you guys could see what it would look like. And then we also have the side skirts, which are over here. So these are the side skirts right here. That will be mounted up right there. Again, I don't know how these are supposed to be mounted up. So I'm just gonna let him figure that out. But other than that, car is done, and Felix should be here in a couple hours to come pick it up. What up, bro? How you doing? Recording for the YouTube. For sure. There she is. What's up, bro? How you doing? Yeah, that body kit was pain. Yeah, that thing was hard. So you need to make like the new holes for the bumpers, for the front and rear bumper. The body was the easy part. The bumpers, that was the hard part.
That was nice.
So we took the bumpers off because he's gonna properly secure it instead of just zip tying it on. So front bumpers off, rear bumpers off. I'm gonna put the rear front bumper in here, and then all right, there we have it.
All right, thanks, man.
See ya, bro. That intake is super loud. Gonna take off like that, and then he'll figure out how to put the bumpers.